Hi, my name is Joella, and I am in grade 5A. I am taking Mr. Nolan's nature box to the next level. I will use scientific terms to blindly describe and identify items my mom and brother picked from nature. I challenge Mr. Nolan, Miss Shona, and Mr. Emmanuel to do the same. Maybe my classmates will even do it. Best of luck! So, my mom's gonna put the first item inside and I need to blindfold.
Okay.
Is it in?
It's in.
Okay. I'm gonna keep my blindfold on so I don't see. And I have no idea what these are. It's very rough, but the bottom part is super smooth. I estimate that this is a shell.
Yes, very good. All right, keep your blindfold on.
Keep the blindfold on. Let's hope none of these are alive.
You'll never know.
Is it alive?
You'll never know.
Please tell me if it's not alive.
Just go.
It's a what?
Just go.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Just put your hand in it.
This is getting.
I'm against animal cruelty, so just keep that in mind.
What is that? No, I'm not touching
It's
it.
not alive, trust me.
But it's weird.
Come on.
Wait. Wait, let me think about it.
Come on, I only have 9 minutes. What's the texture like?
It's like prickly but smooth at the same time.
I'll give you a hint.
What?
It's all over the walls at your school.
Oh, I know what this is.
Reach back in.
Is it broccoli? Those like little.
Put your hand back in. Touch it.
It's all over my school.
You're on the right track. Yeah, it's not broccoli though.
I'm scared. I don't want it to be real.
It's not real. It's not an animal.
But I don't know what it is.
You're right, but it's not called broccoli.
I don't know what it's called.
Pick it up. Come on.
No.
Then
It's
what
like
is it?
those little bushes on the side of the
Yes.
wall.
Yes.
Can I see it? I want to see it.
Yeah.
Ew. I got so. I thought this was like the skunk tail. Something like that.
All right, blindfold on.
Wait,
Nothing can be real here. Okay, it's in.
that's a food type.
Shh. Don't give her hints, Moose.
It's smooth like a baby's butt. I
Okay, this is a school project, so let's keep it.
I estimate that this is those pepper.
Yeah, very good.
I knew you were just right.
All right.
Okay. Ah, what is that?
It's
What's the texture like?
Smooth, but there's like a stick here. Is this like a plant leaf?
Yeah. Which plant on the balcony do you think it is?
I don't really feel the plant leaves on it. Am I allowed to like look around the balcony?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I need help. I think it's the one that the
Nope,
on?
it's not the bonsai tree.
Oh, no. But there's multiple leaves, so it can't be that one with the flowers.
Correct. It's not the desert rose.
Desert rose can't be it. Is it the one?
The bougainvillea, yes.
Bougainvillea.
Yes.
I always felt like they were like sloppy.
Yeah, they're very smooth, right?
Smooth,
They
yeah.
feel different than they look. Okay, next one.
Is like the last one the scariest or like the funniest? Or like the hardest? I like this one.
Okay, go ahead.
From that laugh, I already can tell it's bad.
not an animal. It's
Better.
not an animal.
What if it's an insect?
It's not an insect.
If it was an insect, Hang on, I don't want to touch that again.
Come on, you have to. Figure it out.
Is it?
Pick it up.
No.
Yes.
Is it
You're cheating.
avocado?
It's not avocado. It's a plant.
No.
Come on, put your hand in.
Oh, I know what it is.
What is it?
It's aloe vera.
Yes, very good.
It's a plant.
Okay.
That laugh of yours, it just creeps me out. Oh, that's heavy. I mean,
Hold on 1 second. No.
Oh
put your
my
hand in.
God, how dare you?
Put your hand in.
No, it's
Put
fire.
your hand in. It's not fire. Oh my gosh, I would not burn you. Come on, put your hand in.
But like that.
It wasn't fire. It's not fire.
What is it?
Come on. You have to touch it to find out.
It's not real, right?
It's not real. No.
Is it a flower?
It's not a flower.
Is it like a plant?
It's something you would find in nature.
I'm scared.
Come on. Just go for it.
No!
Come on.
Why would I just go for it?
Come on, because you're not going to be able to figure it out. Come on, get your hands in there. You have to touch everything to try to figure out what it is. You've got a minute left.
Oh, there's a stick.
So tell me more
There's this
about what you're feeling. You're
There's,
feeling
like,
wet.
rough. There's
Okay.
like this rough thing up.
Okay.
I feel like it's going up. And then there's like this liquidy thing.
Touch it. Come on, get your hands in there, girl.
I don't know what this is.
Think. You heard a sound, right?
I heard like a crack. Even there's like wetness. An egg!
Yes! Very good, that's it.
Can I see this?
Yeah, congratulations.
Oh, that's that hard thing I.
All right, say goodbye to your classmates.
Bye, guys.